Get ready. Start. Sir, it is my proud privilege to initiate this important debate on the 11th plan in this August House. Although I have been in charge of the Ministry of Planning only for a few days, I have had the opportunity, along with my colleagues in the cabinet, of considering the plan in its various aspects, and I shall try to present before you the salient features of the plan in the perspective of government's general overall economic objectives. Let me say at the outset that the 11th plan, covering the years 2007-8 to 2012-13, has been formulated in the light of the development experience of the past 3 decades and the perspective we need to keep for the next 10 to 15 years. The country's performance in the past has yielded very valuable lessons, and we must adapt our strategy of development in the light of this experience. The initial conditions from which the plan had to commence were far from favorable. 1999-2000 was a drought year during which agricultural production slumped. There was a sharp rise in prices which continued during 2002, and many weaknesses appeared in the basic infrastructure of coal, transport, and power, which in turn had adverse consequences for industrial growth. Internationally, we faced a sharp rise in prices of petroleum and other imports, while recessionary conditions in the industrialized world held out a threat for our exports. In a situation such as this, it was not easy for the government and the planning commission to chart the course of the country for the next 5, 10, or 15 years, which would be bold or definitive. At the same time, the problems facing the country are so acute that solutions brook no delay. Removal of poverty and unemployment and attainment of self reliance have been the basic goals of plan development, and they remain so for the 11th plan as well. In order to move forward towards these objectives, it is essential, although not sufficient, to achieve a high rate of growth of national income. The plan thus aims at a growth rate of 5.2% per annum. This is not an ambitious target, especially since 1990 2000 was year of low output, but it still requires assiduous efforts to utilize.